Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? And I hope you're well. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to check out Equation since it has launched on the Arbitrum mainnet on October 28th, and we can see how it is doing now. So we can check out the total trading volume of $373 million, so that is quite a lot, and the total leverage liquidity of $560 million. That definitely is impressive, with the open interest of almost $69 million as well. This definitely does show that they mean game. And yeah, they are the next generation of decentralized perpetual exchange, and that is precisely what their goal is, guys. So yeah, they are positioning themselves as the next generation of decentralized perpetual exchanges because they offer both traders and liquidity providers with up to 200x leverage. And so yeah, Equation definitely stands as a true statement to the principles of decentralization, and at its core it operates as a non-custodial on-chain decentralized protocol, and so firmly adhering to the ethos of true-less transactions. This means that users can trade directly from their wallet without the need for signups or deposits, and this freedom to manage and trade assets directly from one's wallet represents a realization of DeFi's true potential, secure, transparent, and fully decentralized. So we can click trade now. This will take us to the trading platform where we'll be able to do our trades once we connect our wallet. So this is quite simple. As mentioned, there's no need for any signups. All you do is you just accept it on your wallet, and just by connecting, say, to a MetaMask, you will be able to just basically connect to it super quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. As you guys can see, it will only take a couple of seconds. But of course, the mainnet will be set to Arbitrum, so you have to bear that in mind, but that's no worries whatsoever. But here we have it, basically the traders panel, and the great thing is that leverage slider that we can actually take all the way to 200x, and so there's definitely a great potential because they are offering this kind of leverage which can definitely influence how you trade and how you are earning with it. So that is really great. Of course, you can choose which pair you would like to trade, and you have all sorts of information about it. You can also see the markets, pools, earning and referrals, and many more. We have the long and short for it, with the market and limit orders that you would like to place. So we can of course change these and just adjust it to your trade. And yeah, you have the price, depth, and funding, and also the scale and everything. And so this definitely remains a standard trading platform. But as mentioned, that leverage slider is something that is quite extraordinary. But let's get back to the main page, and we can see that it has been audited by ABDK, and so definitely secure right here. And we can see it with a white paper and on GitHub with their DAO. So yeah, Equation has its DAO, and we can check it out. So I'm going to leave you to explore these two further. But we have the lower liquidation risk and the higher leverage, guys. So this is it. We have the Perpetual protocol with the maintenance margin and maximum leverage shown in here. We also have DX of 3% and 20x leverage, GMX only 1% maintenance margin, and 50x with the maximum leverage. But that's nothing compared to Equation with 0.25% of maintenance margin. So this is definitely quite great for us, and the maximum leverage of 200x, that can be definitely quite interesting. Reading from the web page, we can see that leverage boosts LP returns, and the LPs can provide liquidity with leverage and enjoy liquidity mining rewards plus a share of the trading fees. And based on the novel BRMM model, or the balance rate market maker model, the LPs can significantly improve their capital efficiency by providing liquidity with leverage. And so Equation introduces a novel approach to price discovery for perpetual contracts based on the liquidity pool and the balance rate. So it offers both market orders and limit orders functions, as we have seen, along with the 200x leverage, and that empowers traders with greater control over their strategies. And Equation sets itself apart from its competitors, as we have seen above, by allowing traders to establish large and unrestricted positions, all while maintaining a super low maintenance margin of the mentioned 0.25%, and that significantly reduces the liquidation risk. But upon the mainnet launch, the Equation supports Perpetual trading for various currencies like Ethereum, BTC, Sol, ARB, OP-Matic, AVAX, and Link, and many more. So definitely some nice aspects to it. And the fair launch with the EQU being the native token of the Equation with a maximum supply of 10 million, where 100% of which is generated through position mining, liquidity mining, and referral mining, and that is rewarded to community users. So again, they are giving back quite a fair share, and the initial daily emission of EQU is 10,000. So this figure can be adjusted via DAO, but not exceed 10,000. And as you guys can see, they have been working quite hard this year, with a testnet already being released in September this year. But then in October we had the mainnet and the EQ fair launch, and then the position mining continues through November. But for December we have the plan for DAO governance, so let's actually look out for it. As for the tokenomics, a few quick information. There's the traditional tokenomics model, the complex interest between community users and the founding team, and the early investors often lead to disagreements and divergent consensus during the operation and governance to protocol, and that it greatly hampers the sustainable development of the protocol. And so yeah, as you can guess, Equation is not following the traditional model, but the Equation adopts an innovative hybrid tokenomics model, and that will combine the fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens all together. And this hybrid model establishes exclusive incentive channels for different roles in the ecosystem, aiming to unify a long-term development goals of Equation while safeguarding the interests of liquidity providers and community users. So we can all see how much Equation is doing for the community. Of course, with the DAO governance, this should be the way to go. But yeah, offering 200x leverage with short and long positions on so many different currency pairs definitely is impressive. But here are the community links. We have Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and Medium, so you can check these all out. And we also have for collaboration, we have the market Equation and market media kit, but that probably doesn't concern you. That's why we're going to go ahead and check out the Twitter, where you can see quite a lot of information, like the position mining being alive with the mining launch, weekly reports, and etc. All this you will have here. Things like AMA and collaboration announcements also will be present, so make sure not to miss out on these. And I can also show you DeFi Llama with the derivatives volume in Arbitrum. As you guys can see, Equation has number 6 of a one-day change of 221%, guys. That definitely shows that they mean business. And you can also stake the EQ directly, or stake the EQ Ethereum LP NFT from the Uniswap EQ Ethereum protocol. So that's the full range. And you will receive a VEQ on a one-to-one basis, and that is a non-transferable token. Yeah, this entitles you to share of 25% of the protocol's trading fees, and also grants you governance rights. So the amount of trading fees earning depends on the proportion of lock tokens and the length of the lockup period. Lastly, I would also like to tell you, maybe we could check out the white paper for it, but the liquidity mining that Equation is allowing, that provides users with a unique opportunity to maximize the earning potential that way. So the liquidity providers can contribute to pools with up to 200x leverage, and this flexibility empowers LPs to tailor their participation according to their risk preferences, but also significantly enhances their capital efficiency. So an income generated by LPs stems from two primary sources: the liquidity mining rewards, but also a portion of the trading fees. So that's how it works with the liquidity mining. And you can also have the option to contribute liquidity to the risk buffer fund without leverage, and the liquidity contributed to shield it from liquidation, even in situations where the fund's performance temporarily becomes negative. So the protective measure ensures the safety of user contributions, and once contributed, the liquidity is subject to a 90-day lockup period. So after this, you can gain the flexibility to withdraw the contributions at any time, provided with the RBF demonstrating a positive net performance. So yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff going on with Equation, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor of any sort, so all the investing you're doing is at your own risk. Remember about it, be smart and responsible about your funds, and let me know what you think about Equation and their fantastic 200x leverage, along with many fantastic benefits like the liquidity mining, and that is coming to us. But yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.